I gave Canva a shot for video editing on Asus Ally, and you might be wondering, is it worth it? Handheld PCs are on the rise, and I think they will be even bigger in 2025. Sure, they're built for gaming, but how do they handle tasks like video editing with Canva? Let's find out. I wanted something more portable. My laptop is really good at video editing, but it's also really heavy, and I don't want to be tied to my desk, so I'm really hoping that the Asus Ally will be good for using Canva. To start with, I really liked how easy it was to use a screen recorder. You just press the back key with Y and you can start recording anytime. This really helps to get in-app footage or quick clips to use in your videos. I'm not having any issues with the load time as well. It seems to be really quick, especially for Canva. The quality on the screen is really great. You can see clarity in images and it's got great color depths. I also think using Windows on ROG Ally is a big advantage for me personally. I find it really easy to access and organize my files using Windows 11. While the touchscreen isn't that big, only 7 inches, the touch feature really helps. It's necessary because the gamepad is just not enough, and that might be one of the biggest drawbacks to using Canva on the Asus Ally. So let's talk a bit more about the drawbacks. As we just mentioned, the screen, because it's only 7 inches, it does feel really trimmed. While the Asus Ally's performance is solid, Canva's web version isn't exactly optimized for a handheld PC like this. Another big issue is that there is no keyboard. Canva's web version relies heavily on a mouse and keyboard setup, and using the gamepad for precision really is a pain. There's a steep learning curve that comes with it, but even then, shortcuts are pretty much out the window. To be honest, in the end, I found it too hard to complete the more intricate parts of the video, especially when cutting and adding overlays over the video. I had to use my laptop in the end to get that done. While it's super portable, compact, and very fast, it did take me twice as long to edit this video. And what did help though was using this portable monitor. I've made a video about it already on channel, that this one works really well with the Asus Ally, because not only is it a touchscreen, it also has a built-in battery which helps keep it portable. But in all honesty, a tablet might be the better choice here, simply because the applications are more well optimized for tablets. You can also get a dock for the Asus Ally, that way you can connect a keyboard and mouse, turning it into a mini PC pretty much. So even though we managed to get the video done with the Asus Ally, I can't say I would recommend it for Canva, and I don't think I would be using it again to make a video. Even though I'm saying that, I did get the video done, and it does look pretty good. If you want to see how it all came together, check out the full video here and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.